Good afternoon, everyone. I always have a tough time presenting after lunch. I hope you're awake. We're really excited today about the announcements we've had. Hopefully you saw the theme of some excitement with regards to innovation this morning from Dave Donatelli. My name is Bill Swales. I'm the Vice President of the Industry Standard Server and Software Business Unit in the Americas. Under my domain, all the product managers, so the subject matter experts about the Blades portfolio, the Rack and Tower portfolio, the ISS options portfolio, and the software stack all report to me. They're all here in the audience if you need an opportunity to learn more about the products afterwards or in the showcase. So thank you for being here. I'm going to spend a couple minutes today just covering 4 simple points. Most importantly, I want to talk about conversion infrastructure and how you can leverage conversion infrastructure to save money. There's a massive amount of savings opportunity. I want to talk about our reach. So what I mean by reach is we've invested significantly to help our customers understand conversion infrastructure. So I want to let you know some of the things that we're doing there to expand our reach. I'll cover a little bit about the opportunity of where we're spending time, where we see the growth. And then lastly, I want to talk about innovation and our leadership from an innovation perspective. So, saving money with conversion infrastructure. Best thing about my job is I get to spend time with you. I spend a lot of time talking with CIOs, CTOs, IT admins, VP of facilities, and I love talking about conversion infrastructure. I have a ton of data in my business where we're able to take a look at our entire install base. And I can tell you that in the Americas collectively, in this group, there's over $500 million worth of IT sprawl that you can channel into innovation. Let me say that again. There's over $500,000 worth of savings that you, as our customer community, can use to drive innovation in your business. So how do we do that, right? We have some incredible innovations with regards to power and power management, and we have some really excellent ROI calculators that are at your disposal to take a look at the power and the cooling and the efficiency with regards to annual savings that you can achieve in your environment from conversion infrastructure. There's also an excellent opportunity when you look at the licensing and the ability to save on annual licensing costs. Obviously, there's a great opportunity with the new technologies like G7 to consolidate, to virtualize, and you heard today all sorts of stories with regards to the ratio of consolidation. Let me show you a little more detail here. Last year, when I was on stage here, we had just launched the new G6 platform, and this was a really exciting time in a very difficult macroeconomic situation. It was exciting for HP because we knew that if you were a G5 user, you could migrate to a G6 platform, and we could justify the new platform in less than a 12-month ROI. And if you had the previous generation technology, a G4, and were considering a G6, there was an opportunity to justify the ROI in less than 3 months. So that was pretty good for the time. Well, the story gets better now with G7. If you look at this, if you look in your environment and you're a G5 user today, the ROI is now down to an 8-month period. And if you're using a G4 or previous generation technology, the ROI is down to a 2-month ROI. Just a really excellent way to leverage conversion infrastructure, leverage innovation, and help you have an opportunity to rechannel those dollars, the savings, into other things that are more important for you as IT execs to drive business innovation and business leadership for your organization. So in order to help you better understand the conversion infrastructure and all the savings, we have made a significant investment with regards to reach here in the Americas to better serve you. So far this year, in 2010, we have hired close to 500 additional converged infrastructure subject matter experts. These are experts with regards to storage, server, networking, software, and that's just in the Americas. We have over 500 incremental recs that are currently available with regards to slots that we're trying to fill. So your presence and your experience with HP Direct should be a different level of experience than you've ever had. We have the largest sales organization that we've ever had with regards to HP around converged infrastructure and our entire ISS portfolio. Additionally, the partner ecosystem. We've made some significant investments into the partner community. Last year, around 51% of our business was sold through the partner community. And we had set out with a goal to end this year, or a year later, about 60%. We are right on track to do that. So we've made some significant investments into the partner community. We make sure that every time we're educating our sales team, whether it's a partner specialist or whether it's an HP employee, we have a parallel path of education with regards to everything we're doing to make sure that they're completely enabled to have a really great conversation with you, our customer base. We also see a ton of opportunity with regards to a number of segments. So the federal segment, the healthcare life sciences segment, the SMB segment are all segments that we've channeled these incremental headcounts into. We've hired heavily into the scalable compute infrastructure space. So this is the segment with the large Web 2.0 customers. Our market share is completely taken off there to close to 50%. So a really excellent growth opportunity there. High performance computing is another space. So I'm in the process right now of trying to hire individuals who have PhDs to work in our sales organization so that we can have a different type of conversation with you about genome research, and a PhD can come in and understand genome research, what you're trying to do in that high performance computing application. So there's been a lot of investment, and there's a lot of continued investment that we're going to make here with regards to opportunity and growth. Additionally, as you walk through the halls of your organization, you may see a HP conversion infrastructure specialist meeting with your VP of marketing, VP of business development management, or VP of engineering. What we're trying to do, what we're encouraging our team to do, is actually get out and have a different type of conversation with you about the products that you're trying to bring to market. We're asking our team to confirm and to try to validate, is there an opportunity for us to integrate our x86 servers into the products that you're bringing to market? Could be telecommunications products, safety and surveillance, point of access systems. We really want to figure out how we can potentially go to market together, leverage the brand of HP and your brand to bring a completely different amount of solutions to the industry with regards to HP conversion infrastructure. So hopefully you'll see us showing up more frequently. None of this growth would be possible without continued industry leadership from an innovation perspective. You saw Dave Donatelli earlier today give a real-life example of the Virtual Connect with a shopping cart. We're going to try to really help you better understand how these technology advantages can continue to help you from an innovation standpoint. You heard Dave talk about CS sensors. You look at the 1 terabyte blade server. That's a massive amount of capacity that we've been able to collapse into a blade. Lights out remote management, hub pluggable hard drives. There's just a massive amount of innovation that we love here at HP. Our innovation is not something that we do just by ourselves. We do that with a massive amount of collaboration with our partner ecosystem. These are decades of relationships where we get together and work on not just making sure that our products work well together from an interoperability perspective, but we get together with our partners here and make sure that we're sharing the joint long-range engineering roadmaps and try to figure out how we can bring collective uniqueness to the products that we're bringing to market. We're going to tell you a little bit more about the innovation here in a couple minutes, but it's, once again, working together with the partner ecosystem is a huge, huge level of appreciation for HP as we bring new products to market. So thank you for your confidence, right? The innovation is one thing, but we appreciate your business and your confidence in HP. When you look at some of the latest, #1 accolades, #1 in server revenue, #1 in blades, the 4 and 8 socket, we've sold 2 million blade servers to date over, right? So that's a great thing. 20 million per line servers in 20 years. 55 consecutive quarters of worldwide x86 leadership. So thank you very much for your confidence in HP. All right, to help you better understand where we're going in the future from an innovation perspective, I have the opportunity now to introduce Mark Potter, who's our Senior Vice President, General Manager of our worldwide industry standard server and software.